Here's Tommy. Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Today we're gonna be doing a different unboxing on Sunday unboxing. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a book named Myths, Monsters, and Cryptids. Yes, I don't think you know this about me, but I love hearing stories and legends about different things. So this is right up my alley. This is something that is actually for me, and I hope you like. So I'm just gonna leave you with the unboxing.